How to look after a lawn. Difficulty level 1 hammer. There are many simple techniques to keep your lawn looking beautiful. Mow it regularly from March to October. Water it frequently, regular aeration, and add fertilizer to it. You will need a nitrate fertilizer, potassium phosphate fertilizer, and a selective weed killer. You will need a lawnmower, a roller, a hose pipe, a sprinkler, a rake, a pressure sprayer, a fork, or a tool to aerate the lawn. You will need protective gloves. To keep your lawn looking beautiful, you need to mow it regularly. If the lawn surface area dictates the choice of lawnmower, only a perfectly sharp blade delivers the best possible cut. The blades of grass need to be cut cleanly and not minced into little pieces. You need to adjust the height of the cut in order to ensure it is right for all situations. Where the grass is long, set the lawnmower to its maximum height for the first cut to prevent it clogging. Then mow it again, lowering the height of the cutter deck. Push the lawnmower up and down the lawn in parallel strips. Avoid cutting grass which is still wet with dew. You normally mow the lawn once per week during its period of maximum growth, which is between April and June. Mix the cuttings saved in the grass collector behind the lawnmower with other vegetable waste products to make compost later on. If you mow the lawn regularly, cutting a little off the top each time means you can leave the cuttings lying on the lawn as natural fertilizer. During the summer period, you must water the lawn regularly to help the grass grow. Just use a garden hose for smaller lawns. Water the lawn in the evening. The water evaporates more slowly, allowing the soil to absorb more. For larger lawns, use a sprinkler system linked to a timer, which you program to water the lawn automatically. The most efficient way is to use an embedded irrigation system. You arrange the sprinklers all around the lawn and program them to start and stop watering. You should roll the lawn at the end of winter in order to repair any frost heave damage to the soil. During the season, it's a good idea to run the roller over the lawn to flatten any tufts of grass which have come loose. If the ground is so compacted that roots cannot breathe properly or soil cannot absorb water, regular aeration will help. Aeration is when you dig small, close-together holes in the soil, using either a fork for small areas or an aeration system for larger ones. Slow-release nitrate fertilizer will also help the lawn during the growing season. On the other hand, you should stop this treatment in autumn and use potassium phosphate fertilizer instead. Use a selective weed killer to remove undesirable weeds without harming the lawn. Don't allow dead leaves to lie around on the grass, as they can cause moss to grow. Your lawn will stay healthy all year if you show it a little care during several months of the year.